Welcome. We're out here at Barrier Dunes today. What does everybody love about Barrier Dunes? Well, number one, it's on the north end of Cape San Blas, and it's tucked up right in here by the state park. If you don't know about the St. Joseph State Park, it's got boat launches, so you can actually have a boat in here, a smaller boat, and park it and take it over to the boat launch for, if you're here for the week. You can walk the beach for miles, 10 miles of beautiful beaches. But what everybody loves about Barrier Dunes is that it's a gated community. And what does that mean for you? Is that you've got this whole little village tucked up in here right at the water. We've got a Gulf front pool. You have a quiet pool, which is literally just like a few doors down from us. You have pickleball courts across the street from us. So you have all the things right here in the hub. Number one is you got views. I can't wait to share the views with you. So let's go take a look downstairs. Let me show you what's going on here. So when you pull up, you've got a nice covered area. It's nice and shaded. This is all storage here. So you've got, 6-7 feet of storage by 5 feet deep. So I would say about 7 by 5. This is your, all of this could be rocked underneath this deck here. So if you wanted to expand it and make more like a picnic area or something for your family to enjoy, you can do that. People do all kinds of things in here. They make things to hang their paddle boards and kayaks and all that. But let's go in and take a look at the inside. As you walk in, all the Barrier Dunes units are pretty much the same when you walk in. You enter them here and you got a little landing area, which is nice. We're gonna head up the stairs and I'm gonna show you the living floor. When we get up here, you're going to see that they've got the LVP throughout, so it's nice and pet friendly. If you want to bring your pets, they allow pets in the neighborhood. So this is a 2-bedroom. So what's great about a 2-bedroom is, number one, it becomes great rental income. Number two is that the 2 bedrooms in the snowbird season get rented too, so you get some off-season renting if you want to do that. And if you don't, you've got this great grassy area here. Look at this deck. They got a nice barbecue area here. You got a nice big deck here. Literally, I'm going to show you when we get up front, but when you get over here to the right, you've got a gazebo up there, and that takes you right to the beach, and to the left is the waterfront pool. And then all of this grassy area is so nice if you have pets. So you kind of share this little stairway thing, but it's got privacy. It's got privacy. You got trees. You're an N unit, which, is a plus, I think, in Barrier Dunes. So you got a lot of things speaking for it that make it nice. It's also, this is the most affordable with a view that there is. You get a nice pull-up breakfast bar here. They did a tile backsplash. You got the stove, microwave combo, all that, dishwasher, double sink. And then you've got a bath right here, right off of the hallway. So it's got a tub. So if you've got a little one, a lot of times people do bunk rooms like they've done in this downstairs. This has enough room for these 2 bunks, and you've got a full-size bed here. You can do a queen-size bed in here. You can do another set of bunks if you want with a trundle. They do these little, you've got a little porch back here, kind of overlooks the parking area there, but it's nice and bright and light and airy in here, so I love that about it. You can see the sunshine. And then as we head upstairs, that's going to be our next bedroom. This is an entire master suite up here. So you're hearing us clumping up the stairs. This is your master suite. Nice big king-size bed, big dresser. Look at the views out the porch here. You've got views from up here, so you actually could literally see the dolphins swim by out there. But I love that you've got this whole landscaped area. It just makes it feel so nice and private. You've got a double sink outside of all of the shower areas, so this makes it nice for getting ready when you're trying to get ready for dinner, everybody at the same time. This is a locked storage closet that's a walk-in here. So you have this, you've got your linen closet area right here. You've got your laundry right behind you, so you've got some extra hanging and storage back there. And then this has a tub and a separate shower. All right, if you're looking for something affordable with a view like this, there's not another one like this on the market. So reach out to us, share it with someone that you know, tell them Kay sent you, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.